Okay. Are you supposed to be up there?
Don't do that.
Oh, did you get that slow-mo shot? Ready? 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 Ready?
Pues look it up. You know.
Eat up, Buttercup.
So she messaged you?
Glad you got your white hair all over my black shirt. You love the hard pets, don't you? Now Sky wants hard pets. Sky doesn't like hard pets though. She doesn't understand. Ew. You guys get hair everywhere. I'm done. Yes, I'm done. Not doing it anymore.
Hello. I'm all bundled up because I just got back from an engagement session out in the snow. So I'm bundled in like a Carhartt, keeping everything warm.
And I'm keeping warm by standing in front of a heater.
Yeah, we're trying to de-thaw my feet. You can tell I had to walk in the snow. So we're both standing in front of the heater here. Hi.
Hello. Welcome to the channel. And then we're doing Casey's Pizza for dinner.
So that's
gotta
why I
go pick
haven't
that up.
taken my coat off too, because I got back from the session and I'm warming up my feet, but then I'm just gonna get back in the vehicle and go pick up Casey's Pizza. So
And then after the pizza, the real fun begins.
tell them what you've been excited
it's-
about all day.
It's icicle time. Yes. So stick around for the icicles.
We have been just working all day. I feel like I don't look very cute.
I think you're beautiful.
We've just been working all day. I was working on the vlogs, which you already saw. Vlogs from previously. And then I had a coffee date with my friend who I told her I was pregnant. And then we just like chit-chatted and caught up. My friend Lexi. And then I had the engagement session and now it's dinner time. So basically we haven't been filming all day. But a lot of the day was just spent sitting at our computers.
I shaved today.
Wow.
Yeah, my wife made me.
I didn't make you.
Yeah.
It's not like I held you in the shower and said, "You cannot leave until you shave your face."
That's what I remember.
God. Anyways, I need to get my eyelashes done again because I just do not feel cute on the vlog without my lashes done. So that's one of the next things on my list. Look
this
what,
already? Look.
yeah.
You see the smoke?
Uh-huh. Hot.
Thank you.
I shut my door, opened and shut my door so that the music would stop, and then I didn't shut it right. So we picked up the pizza, but on the way in, I also want to show you our project for this evening before the sun sets too much. Oh, there are the puppies. Hi, puppies. Those are, yeah. You're crazy. Those are our neighbor's dogs. But this is our project for the evening. That one's almost to the ground. They're pretty bad and we need to get them off because it's actually leaking into our house, which I don't think getting off will help, but everything is just leaking. It's heavy. It's not good for them to be hanging on our gutters like that. And it's causing problems inside our laundry room here because the water and snow, sorry, has nowhere to go. We had a nice dinner, ate some pizza with plenty of leftovers, and now, what are you doing?
I'm putting on my beep kickers.
Oh.
Yeah, because I'm going to go out in the snow. I'm not going to make snowman, but I'm going to go out in the snow and whack off icicles.
Whack them off?
Yeah. Nice grizzle. You're adding a lot to the spit. I like it. Ah. I need this one. I need this one. Thank you. Thank you. So as we showed you earlier, we have a ton of icicles outside, and Danielle kind of explained it to you that it's too heavy and we'll tear down our gutter if we don't get them off because they're like heavy. They're really, really big icicles, and they've been up there a couple days now, and so we need to take them down. So I thought it'd be fun to take them down some fun ways. So we're gonna throw some stuff at it, and we're gonna hit them with some objects and see if they come down.
He's gonna do it. I'm not really gonna do anything but hold the camera.
Okay, I'm gonna whack all the icicles off.
I'll try to stay warm. So this is the current status of our icicle problem. This is the biggest one. It almost goes down to the ground. So if I stand on regular level, it goes to there, and the ground is right there. So what is that? Like maybe 3 feet from the ground. And then they're also, I'm trying not to get super close to them, but like they're thick and big. We've been regularly already knocking down the ones on top of the door because we don't want them to fall on us. But these ones over here are big, especially this one, this bad boy. And then we got a few on this corner here, and he is prepping for some fun. Oh, that was so loud.
How big is this?
Where are you going with that? Don't fall.
Some of them are very, very large. Now this one, we're gonna see if we can get all of it, and we're gonna see how heavy it is.
Okay, let me come out here.
Ready?
Yep.
It's stuck on there. I don't think I'll be able to get it.
Like just with one push?
Yeah, I can't get it. It won't move.
Do you want the shovel?
It won't move.
I hear you going dunk, dunk.
Some of them I'm not gonna be able to get down.
Yeah, especially all the thick bits up there.
Yeah.
They're just too thick. Well, and like, so all right there is like a layer of ice that's just built up and built up. So not only are we trying to like break through this little chunk hanging down, but also just like the layer up there. Okay, look at this pile of ice over here in our snow. We got all this ice right there. And Trevor's doing our neighbors, so I'm gonna head in.
All right, got the rest of them knocked down. Well, almost all of them. Some of them were too big to knock down, but now we're gonna set in front of the heater and warm up. And then I don't know what we're gonna do about the other ones. We might have to like rent a flamethrower or something, try to melt them off. Might work, so we might work on trying to rent a flamethrower. So if you know anybody that has a flamethrower, let us know. I guess by then it's too late. So, but anyway, yeah, we'll figure out a way to get it. Either that, or it could just stop being winter and cold all the time. It'd be pretty cool too. Okay, don't move then. Alright, so we need extension cord. Here's the ice we broke from the other day, but we got an extension cord under here. So we gotta get this unstuck. And then how do I do this? Just put it on hot?
Yeah, just turn it up to high and hot.
Alright, what about cool shot? Nothing?
No, you don't want to do that. That'll just like make it blow cool air when you hold that button. There you go.
Alright, so I want to show you what I'm doing because I don't think I would explain it well without you guys seeing. So, this is what we're trying to do. We've had problems with water getting in, and it's because these are completely frozen over. You know, we knocked down all of the icicles the other day, but look how thick this thing is. To like make you understand, it's thicker than my hand. And so we got to melt this part down so that the water can escape out that. So I'm up here with an air dryer trying to melt it to where the water can run down and run out where it's supposed to, instead of like, because what's happening is it's melting but it has no place to go. So then it tries to find the path of least resistance, which ends up being the windows in the house. So we're trying to melt this thing down so that water knows where it's supposed to go.
Anything you need?
Yeah.
What's up?
Will you bring me the coffee water?
Yep. Okay.
It's all the way to the gutter now.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna keep working on it.
Okay.
If you want to heat up another thing, you can. Because yeah, it's already melted all the way down to the bottom now.
Nice.
So I just need to keep melting stuff, you know.